Hey guys, welcome to math. We're going to start with our calendar. So, here we go. January, February, March, and April. May, June, July, and August. September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. And our month right now is still April. And April is which number month? 4. And yesterday was April 28. So today is April 29. April 29, it is still the year 2020. And our days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. If yesterday was Tuesday, then today is Wednesday. So capital W-E-D-N-E-S, day, D-A-Y. Today is Wednesday, April 29, 2020. How many more days to the end of the month? You're right, just one more day. Tomorrow will be the last day of the month. Here's a question. What date will it be in 2 more weeks? So to find that out, we're going to have to turn the page. So remember that the last day is on a Thursday. So we're going to turn the page. And this would be on find the Thursday. This would be the next week after the 30th. And this would be the second week. So it would be May 14. That's the date it would be in 2 more weeks. Okay. On our clock today, let's get our easy one. What does this say? Right, the hour hand is on the 11 and the minute hand is on the o'clock. So it says 11 o'clock. What about this time right here? The hour hand is between the 2 and the 3, and we go back to the 2. Right, so it's 2, and then the minute hand is pointing straight down, which is 30. So it's 2:30. Let's get a little harder one here. Okay, do you see that? So the hour hand is between the 5 and the 6, which means we go back to the 5. So it's 5, and then we count by 5, starting with our 1 for the minute hand. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. But if you look closer, it's 51, 52, 53. I think 53. So it's 5:53. And if I gather some money here, I have these, which are quarters, right? And how much are quarters worth? 25. I have 3 of them, so let's count by 25s. 25, 50, 75. And then if you look right here, I also have nickels, and they're worth how much? 5. So I have 75. I'm going to count on by 5s. Ready? 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. I have 95 cents. How much more would I need to make $1? You're right. I would need 5 more cents. All right, we're counting by 5s, which we've been counting nickels are 5s. Our minute hand is 5. So let's do our 5s. Ready? Here we go. I know you're fast. I'll try to keep up. Let's go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Go backwards. 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, and 5. I bet I didn't keep up, huh? You guys are fast. Well, these are the 5s. The 5s. All right, and kindergarten today. So let's say we're doing our math, doing our worksheets at school, and 8 of you are doing your math. And then 3 of you went outside to recess. You finished your math, you went outside to recess. If you left, is that plus or minus? Minus, take away, subtraction. 3 of you left, so that's 8, take away 3. What does that equal? Well, if I have 8 and I take away 1, 2, 3, how much is left? 5. So there's 5 more kids doing their math worksheets, and hopefully they'll finish soon. They can go to recess. Okay, we talked about this before, but let's review it because you're going to be doing it again today. When you see a number and a line right after it, a lot of times they'll ask you what is the next number right after that number. So if you're counting 6, 7, 8, what comes next? 9. Good. And if you keep counting 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right, 16 comes next. And if we keep counting, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Great job. You got them all. That's awesome. That's awesome. All right. First graders, today is all about the double-digit subtraction. So we're going to do a couple of these. So here's one. If I have 93 puppies and I give 12 away, how many puppies do I still have? So always start on the right-hand side. So this side. What's 3 take away 2? 1. We just write it right under here. What's 9 take away 1? What is 1 less than 9? 8. So your answer is 81. Let's do another one. What if I have 76 take away 23? Always start on the right hand side. So 6 take away 3. If I have 6 and I take away 1, 2, 3, how many do I have left? 3. And 7 take away 2. If I have 7 and I take away 1, 2, how many do I have left? 5. So I'd have 53. So those are easy. We don't have to borrow or anything with those. I think you're just the basic subtracting, getting you used to the double-digit subtraction, and you have quite a few problems in that today. All right, second and third grade. Let's go back. 10 of you now are doing your math worksheets, and half of you finish and go out to recess. What's half of 10? All right, it's like split in 2. So this is half and this is half. So half of 10 is 5. So 5 of you went out to recess. And while the 5 of you were out there, you each got 5 rocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 of you, and you each got 5 rocks. How many rocks do you guys have all together if we were to count them? How do we find out how many? We count by 5s. 5 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. There'd be 25 rocks total that you have. All right, and then the last thing that you're going to do is you're going to, they want you to review the directions. So, north, south, east, west. Do you remember what this would be right here? Northeast. What would this be? Southeast. What would this be? Southwest. And this one? Northwest. Okay, so those are kind of the direction. It kind of has like a star thing in there. Those are the directions. And so if I say pointing this way, northeast, pointing down, south, pointing this way, northwest. So they just want you to remember that, okay? All right. Now it's time for you to do your worksheets. Have fun.